doing? This is Juliana. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. This is our final Ipsy bag for 2018 and this is for December, of course. And if you want to know more about Ipsy, I'm going to put all the links down below. So without further delay, let's dig into it. Okay, this is so Christmassy. This is our December bag. There's lots of sequins here. This is ideal for evening occasion. The first item from our bag is, of course, as always, insert a postcard or a message card. It says here, be merry, be bright, be bold, and be you. Nice. Beautiful. The first item is the facial radiance pad. This is from First Aid Beauty, and what it does is exfoliates and tone and brightens your skin. They are cruelty-free, vegan, all the goodness, a quick exfoliation, like quick pick-me-up. It's alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skin. This is ideal for traveling. And then the next item is, whoops, how many do I have? So I have one, and I have two brushes, one from Alexia. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to put this in my giveaway bag. This is Alexia's Precision Blending Brush. This is brush number 243. And then I have last one. I don't have this. I don't know if I have this. Oh, Farah. And it's so luxurious. How about that? This is ideal on working on your eyelid. Just totally blending your eyeshadow. So that's beautiful. I really get excited whenever I receive free brushes. And that is wonderful. Okay, next item is, what's this? Oh, this is Meet the Matte, Your Skin Best Friends. This is from Grace and Stella. This is Dead Sea Mud Mask. Mud Mask from Dead Sea is ideal in detoxifying your skin. I just want to make sure that I'm going to emphasize this thing based on my experience before using Dead Sea Mud Mask. And don't put this baby on your skin more than 10 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes is very ideal just to detoxify and rejuvenate your skin. And wash it off with warm water and just follow with your usual skincare routine. The next item is from Inmo. This is a frozen lipstick and the color is a runway red. And I never heard about this brand, but it's very interesting. Yes, it is interesting. This is a full size lipstick and it looks like gold, but there's red in it. Very soft red, very creamy. It goes with my sweat. That's a nice thing. And this is from Inmo. I'm going to make sure that I'm okay. This is very fragile lipstick. It's very nice, very promising. Okay, last item from our, you know what I noticed? We have 6 items. This is the 6th item in our December glam bag. This is It's a Superhero Mascara. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to put this in my giveaway bag. This is a good mascara if you're looking for a cruelty-free, high-performance mascara. You can try this. You will love it. And that's it for our December 2018 Ipsy Glam Bag. I have a surprise. It's rarity for Ipsy to sell their freebies bag. I really took advantage. These are all sealed. I don't know what's inside. I just wanted to let you know. This rated by Ipsy. And I'm going to put all the information and details on the description down below. So I'm going to pick 3 winners. This is open international. Well, Christmas won't be Christmas without giving something special to your loved ones. You are so beautiful. You guys, I love you. I appreciate you hanging out with me all the time. If you want to join the giveaway, I'm going to put all information on the description down below. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I am inviting you to please come join the gang. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll get notified on all my video uploads. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account. I hope you enjoy the rest of the week, and I love you guys. Enjoy the holidays and be blessed. Mwah.